What's up, A-Dog? What's up, guys? Leave the sweater on for now. It's still a little chilly. What's up, Jay-Z, Mike V? Let some people filter in. Good morning, Crypto Mojo. Good to see you again. We just got done with Squad 2, small group session. Let some people start filtering in, and we'll talk about some of these beautiful trades that we took. Okay, we'll talk about some of the trades. What else we got? Noriega, Gareth, Vacol, what's up? What is up? Let's get all our tools pulled up. Let me separate the sniper targets. Why am I signed out? What was my email on this? There we go. Open the chart. All right, pull up our XO. Let's go back to the sessions. What's up, Reality? What's up, Jonathan? What's up, Max? Nori, as usual, what's going on? Here we are for Bitcoin. What is going on with this? Let's refresh this. Okay. SHIB. I shorted SHIB from the reverse scope of the move. Take profit here. We're still long from the bottom. Let's talk about the awful bill we passed in Congress this weekend. Oh, the infrastructure bill. Jesus. More money. Leading to inflation. Tons of inflation. There's going to be some corrections in a lot of markets, guys. All right. The housing markets. The markets could be in trouble. Okay, I'll take a look at Bitcoin quick. Give me 1 second, guys. I just got to look at some of the trades here. Why is SHIB? Bitcoin short, Ethereum short, SHIB short. Lots of shorts going on here. Also long from the bottom of a lot. All right, look at Bitcoin, guys. We came up. Here's your previous resistance, flip to support. Notable volume break. All right. We could be seeing a deep retrace. Here's the CME gap for Bitcoin, guys. CME gap for Bitcoin as well. All right. This entire space is your CME gap. Okay. Let's move up our previous day's point of control. Let's move up our initial balance levels. Oops, that's a psychological low. All right. Let's see. Where's the daily open? So we got our initial balance low here. Does anybody know? Here's my question, guys. Does anybody know? Did the daily opens and all the opens, did they move time? Does this indicator need to be reset? They have the New York Open now at 8:30 instead of 9:30. Does the daylight savings time push the open back an hour as well? Okay, Mike, yes, this is the new indicator. Okay, this is the new indicator. It is available for you, Mike, for donation only now. Anybody watching this has access now to the new indicator. All right, go into the indicator access page. All right, you can see we're also at the initial balance high retest. Right, this is the initial balance high, 1930, 1945. Break, retest, initial balance high, and CME gap. Okay, yeah, so does anybody know, is the New York Open now an hour earlier? Is the daily open an hour earlier? I mean, the price action looks like it's true, right? New York Open, notable volume starts pushing to the downside. If anybody can get us a definitive answer, did the opens of the sessions go back an hour because of the daylight savings time in the U.S.? Or is the time different? All right, it'll say it on the indicators, but is it true? Is the actual opens changed? I believe you have to consider, but I am not. It also shifted by 1 hour. Now is UTC 4, 7:30 opens and opens at 8:30 where I am. For me, it was a 9:30 open. Now it's 8:30. Okay. Oh, I'm UTC 4. Oh, it's UTC 5 now for New York? Oh, this is confusing. All right. So let's find out if the daily open and all the opens have moved by an hour. Check the below. Yeah, I'm in UTC 5. UTC 4 is Caracas. Okay, UTC 4 is Caracas, and puts the open at 9:30 in the morning. All right. So it's UTC 4. So even though I'm in New York, I put it on UTC 4. Is that correct? I don't know, guys. I think because yeah, Mike, UTC 5 is my time zone. That's why I'm using that. That's my time zone. I'm in New York. So I don't know how to do this. UTC 4 is Caracas. I don't live in Caracas. So let's find this stuff out, guys. All right. If I put it on UTC 4, which was, you're on UTC. Yeah. I'm supposed to be UTC 5. If I put it on 4, it used to be minus 5 hours. So you change it, you change your UTC. So I guess the times didn't change, guys. I guess you have to alter your UTC. All right? If you do that, it has the New York Open 9:30. All right, and right now, well, no, right now it has time at 10:45, though. It's not 10:45, it's 9:45 where I'm at. All right, so I'm new. We'll find this out for you guys, okay? We'll figure this out. I'm UTC 5 now, but how does that work if I don't live there? But it's going to throw me off because it's not the same time on my clocks. It's going to throw me off. So we'll figure it out, guys. Anyways, let's look at price action. TJ, I'm still on New York, but it's UTC 5. Why does mine not do that? Let me hit refresh. Let me refresh. Hold on. Let's save, and then let me refresh this chart. Yeah, I'm confused too. All right, let me refresh and see if UTC 5 is New York now. Okay, there we go. UTC 5 New York. You got to refresh your charts, guys. You got to refresh your charts. All right, but it still has the daily open an hour early. Okay? I guess that is what it is. Okay? I have it now on UTC 5. It's telling me that the daily open was an hour ago. So I guess the open times did change, guys. I guess the open times changed. New York Open is now at 8:30 in the morning for crypto. All the sessions have changed. Okay? Is what it is. All right, let's take a look across the board. Ethereum, same thing. Okay? Ethereum comes up, drops. All right? Retest the previous high, drop. Okay? There you go. Reverse scope extension of the move. Pin above, close below. Notable volume drop. Okay? You have a notable previous support and resistance market structure here, right? Notable volume rejected. Rejected. Break, retest support, retest support. Okay? We have broken below that level now. So we'll see what happens. All right? Is there more downside for Ethereum? I shorted Ethereum. All right, let's go to ETH. Happy birthday. Oh, it's tomorrow. Okay. Here we go for Ethereum. Okay, reverse scope extension, drop. Hold on, I got to check my stuff down here. Let me make sure all my take profits are set as well. Yep, up 16% short for Ethereum. I am up short on Bitcoin, 13% as well. Up on SHIB short, a nice amount also. Would you mind looking at Algo? Good morning, Barry. All right, a couple of things first, guys. Number one, small group sessions are now being recorded. Okay, so the sniper small group sessions, I found a screen recording extension, and as you can see here in Sniper Squad 2, we now have the screen recorded session. So if you miss your small group session, there will be a recorded session. Okay? Crypto Mojo, love the small group. Nice to be able to converse in real time, easier to ask questions. Absolutely, guys. That's the goal of the small group, so that we can talk and not have to type. Okay? We can talk. So all sessions will now be recorded. Number 2, I have wicked heartburn. Number 2, now that I have that, I'm going to start recording some trading, some live trading. Okay? Number 3, what I did is, can we watch other groups? I'll have to find out the consensus on that. Okay? I'll have to find out the consensus on if you guys want all your group stuff to be public. We'll figure it out. All right? So I also have been doing a small account challenge myself on the side. If you guys remember the first sniper screen, okay? Give me 1 second. Okay, so it's really UTC 5. European Day saving a couple weeks earlier. All good to go. All right, so I've been doing a small account challenge by myself. If you guys go back to the first stream that we did for the snipers and the marksmen, okay, I pulled up my charts on the screen for we were talking about entries and stuff. All right, so I started with $132 3 weeks ago. Okay, about 3 weeks ago. The account right now granted, I've been taking trades on my main account too, so I didn't just focus on this account. In the beginning, I was trading both accounts. That's why when I was telling you guys I'm in 12 or 13 trades at once, it was getting overwhelming. Okay, so my account balance for the small account challenge stands at $810 right now. So I went from 132 to 810 in 3 weeks. Okay, the reason why I did that was to just test it out. I didn't want to have any pressure of people looking at every trade. I just wanted to see how it played out with a small account challenge. I had 132 bucks, turned it into 810, which is where it stands right now in 3 weeks. My goal was 100 to 1K in 1 month. All right, so I have 1 week left to get the other 20%. After that, we are going to, I'm going to do several small account challenges, okay? I'm going to try, I was talking to one of the groups this morning, maybe looking to do a 1K, 100 to 1K, and then a 1K to 10K, and then a 10K to 100K, and just keep seeing how it goes, okay? We're going to see how it goes, okay? Now I have the screen recording thing too. I'm going to practice with that so that I can screen record me taking live trades. I'm going to use the smaller accounts for security reasons, guys, all right? And maybe I'm being paranoid, but I want to make sure that I don't put any data out that could be corrupted, all right? I don't want to show my Bybit trading screen to the world. God knows, if I ever got hacked and my money got taken, I would probably end this channel. I would be absolutely devastated that somebody would do that to me. But we understand there are people like that out there. So I'm going to use smaller. Unfortunately, I'm not going to use my main trading account and put my main Bybit account on the screen, or any one of my main Bybit accounts. We'll use the smaller account, the challenge account. So if people want to hack me for $1,000, then that's on them, okay? Let's see. I went from 70 to 32 in 2 weeks. You still have margin though, right? You still have your weapons. They didn't take your weapon from you. Marius, you'll get there. Okay? So, you said, we'll go to Bitcoin. Okay? First of all, that was Ethereum, okay, that we were talking about. Okay? So for Ethereum, right? How did I know it was going to be the reverse scope extension and not the reverse scope? Well, I didn't really have that luxury, okay? Because we were coming into this when I was getting to the computer screen. Okay, price was already this candle right here. I just opened my screen, saw what was going on, clicked over, and I got Ethereum right as it was at this level. So I didn't even have a chance to look to short here. Okay? Would I have? I don't know, because look, we had the green candle, and then the next candles kept pushing up. We didn't get any resistance there. All right, but what did happen is this. There was a red candle immediately at my entry. Okay, right as we were leading into small group 2. And that's why I kept telling them, hold on guys, I got to monitor my trade, right? Retrace to the dollar recovery. Look at even tiny little scopes, guys, right? Tiny little baby scopes. Pin above, close below. There you go, right? Baby scopes, okay? Pin above, recover the red, drop. They retrace back down, pin above again, and drop. Okay? All the way down to the market structure and take profit 1, okay? Good thing about Ethereum is down to the market structure is a full percent. I was up 16% at the time of the take profit, okay? So we were good to go there. Locked in some profit. Now what do we have for Ethereum? Okay, we have the reverse scope of the move at the previous red. Okay, there's your reverse scope of the move. So I didn't know. I just happened to come to the screen right as it was approaching that. Would I have shorted here? I don't know. I would have had to see the candles form with my own eyes. All right, we didn't have any sticking point here. It just kept pushing up. All right, no sticking point there. Momentum wave came up. RSI was outside of the signal line, so I probably wouldn't have looked to short. After I shorted, what did I see? Okay, the RSI line start to drop down. Red candle recovered, and then price came back up. I was on the stream. I was doing the small group session, so I went and watched my take profit 1 get hit. Same thing with SHIB, guys. SHIB was the exact same thing. Let's look at SHIB. Okay, the SHIB short, same exact thing, guys. Okay. Let's go back up to the top. All right. SHIB short, same exact thing. Let's go back to the actual top and the market structure. Okay. Here we go for SHIB. We had the swing high to the swing low. Oops, that's the wrong one. Okay. Let's do it on here. Let's just do it on here, right? What do we have for SHIB? Okay. We have the swing high to the swing low. Exact notable volume into the reverse scope of the move. That's where I shorted SHIB. Okay? Take profit on SHIB, short. Okay? And I was telling them it's great that SHIB can literally trade from scope to scope, market structure to market structure. Okay? We look left, what do we see? Previous resistance. Flip to potential support at the scope of the move. 800 EMA in the 1 minute time frame. Take profit. Okay? That's how I entered the trade. I'm still long on SHIB from much lower. No, I did not get stopped out at the second top, Francesco. I did not get stopped out. That tiny wick did not stop me out. Okay? I did not move my stop loss. I was on the stream. Okay? I was on the stream. On the small group. Also... Okay, also, let's take a look at this, right? Also, I never hit a first take profit. So I didn't move my stop loss to my entry. Okay, I never moved my stop loss. Had I have taken a profit, it would have been in my entry and I would have gotten stopped out there. But I did not. Let me look at my screen real quick. Okay? Let me actually look at my screen real quick. Hold on, guys. Let me look. I'm up 121% long on Ethereum as well right now. Okay? 121% long. Okay? So I'll show you guys. Okay, hold on a second. Let me figure this out. Okay, where are we? Let's see. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna show you guys this. Let me get this all set up. Where is... Oh, come on. What is going... Oh, okay. Got it. There we go. Hold on 1 second. Oops. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, so let me show you guys something, right? Let me show you guys something. Okay? So, here's Ethereum. Okay? Here's the Ethereum trades, right? Here's the account we're talking about. Okay? Here's my short entry for Ethereum, guys. Okay? There's the short entry. 47.55.95. Right? You see the wicks that came back up. Okay? When we go to enter the trade, I hit add 5% stop loss, right? 5%, 0.25 ETH, confirm. Okay? Boom. That's a 5% stop loss for Ethereum, almost above the previous high, which is why I didn't get stopped out. Okay? That's why I didn't get stopped out on Ethereum. I'm just going to keep the charts down here so that you guys, so I don't have my personal information at the top. Okay? Does that make sense to you guys? Right? Let's show you again. Okay? Let me show you again. Okay? Stop loss, add 5%, 0.25 ETH. Okay? There you go. That's a 5% stop loss. Now I took profit. Okay? Took profit at the market structure. Okay? Previous high, previous resistance. Right? Take profit, one hit at the previous market structure. Okay? So now, all right, now I can move my stop loss to at least my entry. Okay? Does that make sense to you guys? The 5% stop loss on Ethereum was way up here. That's why I didn't get stopped out in profit. Okay? Does that make sense to everybody? Hold on. Let me get back to the chats. Okay, why do I have two screens now? All right, does that make sense to everybody? Is that a better look for you guys? Took the Doge, gave my confidence to carry on trading, and was successful with 3 more trades. Excellent look, Gareth. Excellent look. Okay, do you use multiple accounts on Bybit? Yes, I do. You have to use different emails. Okay, and I have an affiliate account as well that I had to make a separate email for the affiliate link that you guys use to trade. Okay, also, just to let you guys know, I have new bonuses on my affiliate link. If you want to support the channel, we get 10% off of maker or taker fees, whatever the market fees are. You get 10% off the fees. You get up to $3,500 for your deposit. You get 3.5% of anything you deposit back, up to $3,500. And right now you also get $40 immediately back for any deposit of $100 with a trading volume of 1,000, which means you can make a $100 trade on 10x. That's $1,000 trading volume. All right, those are my Bybit affiliate link stuff right now, if you guys want to use it. Okay, does it make sense now? Listen, now that now that I let you guys know I'm doing my small account challenge, I like that I can bring up the exchange on the screen. So let's take one more look at something. Let me show you guys something as well. Okay? Let me show you guys something as well here. Okay? Let's talk about the order book trick. All right? Let's talk about the order book trick. Let's go to XRP. Let me show you guys the limit order book trick. Right? So if you want longs above, shorts below. Right? I want a long. So I already have my 25% clicked. Okay? Then I want a long. So I go above and open long. Okay? There you go. Limit order long. Set. Then I go down here, add 5%. Confirm. And that's how I enter my trade, guys. That's it. Right? 5% confirm. Okay? This is too late on the XRP long. I wouldn't have longed here. All right? Normally I would have longed down here. All right? But let's look in reverse. Let me make sure I don't have any trades, right? So there you go. There's your long trade order book trick. Now let's do a short. Okay? Once again, I click my 25%, right? Shorts below. Okay? Boom. Below, open short. Okay? There you go. Limit short order just put into the chart. Add 5%. Confirm. Okay? There you go. Limit orders. Filled history. Open short for XRP, limit. Okay? Limit short XRP just now. Order time 10:04. Okay? Limit orders. That's the order book trick. I'm going to leave these trades on. It's long and short. We'll see what happens. All right? I really shouldn't do that, but I already have 2 trades open. So, there you go. Okay? That's the order book trick. Do it on Binance. I don't trade on Binance, so I don't know what you mean. So there you go, Hurst. I actually answered your question. Okay, so by the way, you can click on the yellow color text to apply your total position to the stop loss. The yellow button text. Oh, this? Is it this thing? Oh, you know what? On XRP, I didn't change it to, this isn't my main trading account, so I didn't change XRP to take profit on partial positions. Okay? But let me get rid of this, this XRP short. Okay? Does that make sense to you guys? When you have partial. Okay, perfect. All right, does that make sense to everybody? The order book trick, if you want a long above, click your percentage, hit one of these above, long above, short below. You get a limit order every time. You'll see it on your ETH position. Okay, let's go to ETH. All right, here's the Bitcoin positions. Here's the ETH position. All right, let's bring ETH back up on the chart. Okay, I like this now. We can talk about charts. All right, so let's look at ETH. All right, where's my long entry on ETH? All right, here's my ETH positions. Here's my long from the bottom, short from the top on Ethereum. Okay, long from the bottom, short from the top. So let's zoom in on the top. Okay, let's zoom in on the top. And if that's true, Nori, that's awesome. Thank you so much for that. All right, so details. Let's trash the stop loss. Okay, and the short. All right, let's try it here. Add 5%. Wait. Oh, click right here. 2.5 ETH. Boom. You know what sucks about this? You know how they make it? They make it so you have to scroll down to see how much you'll lose. I noticed that too. Okay, confirm. Thank you. Thank you, Nori. Much easier than typing it. All right, now my stop loss is going in front of my entry. Okay, stop loss and profit in front of my entry. All right, was that helpful to you guys? Was that helpful to see the order book trick live? I promise you, you'll get limit orders every single time. Quick click, limit orders. All right, Bybit, Binance Berry, the fees are so small, I just market ordered in every time. I use the quick trade slider. I just hit 25% long or short and entered. The Bybit fees are so low. Okay, let me see. Question, I have challenges establishing when the overall trend, oh, there we go. When the overall trend flips. All right, so Crypto Mojo, Matthias, did you ask me a question how much I use? Oh, 25% of the trading account, of whatever's in the trading account. For this account, it's $800 right now. For my main account, I keep anywhere from 10 to 15K, and at the end of the week, everything over that, I take out and put in a ledger and take off the exchange because look at Bybit, look at Binance. All right, quick scare, they disabled withdrawals and everything, they put them back, but you never know. Not your keys, not your crypto. All right, so I'm not letting all that money sit on the exchange. Okay, do I wish I had more money in some of the trades? Sure, but I make plenty doing what I'm doing. Okay, so it's 25% of my total balance. Cross leverage, cross margin, 25% on 16x. Okay, notice you still got charged an order fee because there's still a you still have to pay longs and shorts. You still have a fee, but it's not a market order. Do you know what I mean? You still have to pay the fee, the funding rate. Okay, you have to pay the funding rate, which right now I believe is let's see. The funding rate is what? The funding rate is positive. So what? Longs pay shorts. All right. So let me go down. Oh, my XRP long is up 3%. Let me see. Filled total, filled price. So My order price was $25.51. They filled it at $25.38. Okay, positions. There doesn't say anything about fees. There doesn't say anything about fees. Oh, you're looking at. Hold on. I don't know. I don't see anything about fees on what I showed on there. That was just the filled. The filled is the filled total, the filled price, the order type, the trade type, the order type, limit. All right, and the order number. But you still have to pay funding rates too, guys. Remember that. It looked like it executed, but it changed you a fee. It charged you a fee. Where are you seeing fees, Martin? Where are you seeing fees? I don't understand. All right, here's the exchange. Oops. I don't know what the hell that was. Okay, here's the exchange, right? Here's XRP. Filled. Where do you see a fee? I don't understand. Where do you see a fee anywhere down here? I don't understand what you mean. Look at realized P&L for the. That's just the that's the unrealized are calculated on the. When you move your cursor here, it's shown as calculated on the mark price and the other price. So on sometimes you get more, sometimes you get less. Like look, Bitcoin, I get more because it's the difference of the mark and limit price. That's not your fee. That's not a fee. That's just the difference of mark price and last traded price. That's all. That's not a fee difference. That's not fees. Okay. See, the unrealized profits are shown based on the mark price. Okay, instead of the last traded price. That's all that is. You go to Bitcoin, right? It's extra. It was extra. So as the mark price and last traded price move, that's how you get what it really is. Okay, it's not fees if that's what you were thinking. The realized P&L shows your execution fee. I don't know what all that means. It's the unrealized profits are calculated based on the last trading price. All right. So right now, every time I click on them, it's something different. So why is the fee different on every single one? Some of them I make money. Some of them they're not. But they all say limit order, so they're limit orders. I don't know what the fee would be. Honestly, I don't know what the fee would be for. Some of them are more, some of them are less. But it says a limit order, so it's a limit order. I don't know what the fee would be. You should go on Bybit in your account settings to see it. Well, I'm not going to bring that up on the screen. Make your page zoom less. I didn't want to do that. How can you say it's still a market order, but it says limit order? And the price is different. The fill, it says limit order. So how would you think it's a market order? If it was a market order, it would say it's a market order. It doesn't show a minus. I don't understand what you guys are talking about. It shows a minus. I don't know what you mean. It shows a 2.4% win. I'm up 2.4%. If I click on it, I'm up 2.69%. If I move the cursor, I'm up 4%. There's no minus anywhere. I don't know what you guys mean. Message me privately. I don't know. I don't want to go back and forth on the stream. FTM on daily. Martin, message me so we can go over. I can't comprehend through typing on the stream what exactly is going on. Why would it be a market order, but it says limit order? It would just say market order like the market orders. I don't understand why it would be listed as a limit, but it's a market. Okay. All clicking the order book does is put that price in. It's the same as if I typed it. So why would it be a market order? Does that make sense? All right. When you click the order book, it's just manually typing in a price that's close to where the price is. Seems like all stop losses are market orders. Yeah, I've seen that too. I've seen the stop losses. I've seen some of them are closed market. But this is what I'm saying, guys. All right. All clicking the order book does is just write in a price for you that's closed. It would be the same exact thing. It would be the same exact thing if I typed in 1.2568 limit and it came and filled, as if I just clicked the order book and it typed it in for me. All right. So clicking the order book just puts in a price that is close to or better, because that's how limits fill, mark price or last price or better. Okay? All stop losses are market. I'll talk to you. Yeah, talk to me on the group chat. I'm clicking, oh, Hurst, clicking on the top for longs and the bottoms for shorts. All right, somebody asked about FTM. Let's go to FTM real quick. Phantom. All right, wait till you see the price action on Phantom. This beautiful push to the upside. I already have it pulled up. Look at the way it moves with the structure, guys. Okay? All the way since the long position I put on this chart. Okay? Here's our Phantom snipers. All right? Here was the long positions we were looking for down here. Why does it not say? Oh, there we go. Okay? This was over here. I dragged it over because it still remains. Okay? Price came down, filled into our look for longs, take profit at the scope extension. Price comes up, right? Shorting the recovery of the previous red candle. All the way back down. Scope of the move. Break, retest of the market structure. Previous support resistance zone. And then we're up into heading for, on the hourly, this level. Okay? You have liquidity left to be recovered. Whether it reaches that now on the hourly, let's see. That is 3.25. Let's look back. 3.25. Reverse scope extension of the move. Phantom. 3.25. So that would put price up here. Okay? That would put price up here. When we're looking for retraces back down, when you do short this, okay? Here we go. What is this? What happened here? Oh, okay, perfect. Look at that. Nice head short back to the 50. That played out. Okay, so you'll have your 50 lined up here, depending on where price goes. Your local area scope and scope extension right now are here. All right, we'll see where they end up if price keeps going to the upside. Okay, then you need to look at this notable volume support and resistance here too. Okay, there you go. Nice pin. See that nice push up to the upside on Phantom? All right, a retrace back down. This is your first key take profit. Why? Okay, it's a retest of the previous resistance. Full 3%. Let's bring up Phantom here. FTM, USDT. Okay, FTM, USDT. Look at that. Look at that pin to the upside. Let me look at the money flow. Money flow's been in the green. Look at that. Money flow for Phantom. Why is it pumping? We don't know. Okay, Tim put me on to Phantom. Tim put me on to Phantom. Daniel, if you sell at limit and it's over the current price, then you're a market taker. If you sell at limit, I don't know what that means. Market taker, market maker. Okay, so what are the fees for the, I got to look up the fees for the difference. Okay, I got to look up the fees for the difference. Because remember, when you're clicking the order book, it's just typing for you. It'd be the same as if I typed in the exact same amount. All right, so Phantom. Okay, they pin above. Looking for the retrace. Okay, this is where you would have a major take profit level. Okay, on Phantom. Let me go to Phantom on my charts. Okay, maybe take advantage of this nice short position. Okay, nice short position. FTM USDT. Okay, FTM USDT. Phantom. Where's price at now? 31525. Okay, 31565. Okay. I definitely need to look at what you guys were talking about though. I'd be very curious to see what exactly that means for price. What is the fees? If it was a market maker and taker, why would they even write limit? Okay? So these are your key levels for Phantom right now on the early drop. When it does come back down, because it will, because they always do. Okay? That's your notable volume resistance, notable volume break, retest, continuation to the upside. Okay? These are your targets. Okay? If price doesn't drop at this level back down here, you look for the next level up, which is your reverse scope. Where are we at? Where are we at, Phantom? There we go. Okay, see that nice little pin up? Pinned into the liquidity. There's still a tiny bit left up here. Okay, if we do see a retrace, now you have this level, right? Start adding your market structure. I know I'm putting them on the charts for you guys, but start getting in the habit of doing it as well. Okay, notable volume support, notable volume break, retest, notable volume resistance, notable volume resistance, notable volume resistance, notable volume break. Now we look for the retest to push price up further. When we go on the 4-hour time frame, look at the overall move. Could this be a larger, okay, this is the 4-hour green candle. Could this be a larger lower high in order to take price back down? All right, this is all the current data we have. So if we go from here to here, let's take a look at key levels for now. Okay, key levels for now. I don't have the data for down here, so we're going to use this. All right, let's go back into the hourly. All right. We have tons of previous liquidity below. So make sure you're taking profits here if you're looking to short this position. Okay, if you're looking to short in this zone. 2%, so 2% times your leverage. Take a look at limit trick not working for me. I click 25%. No, Andy, you click 25% and then the order book. Okay, you have to click the order book. Okay, let me show you again. All right, let me bring this up. Let me show you guys again. Okay, what do you got? Link? Let's go to link. Okay, link. We'll do it one more time for you guys. All right, one more time. Okay, here's link. You want a short? Look, 25%, quantity 0. Okay, look, click the order book. Bang, order price. There you go, 34. Okay, order price. Click below to short. Open short. There you go. Open. Add. Stop loss. 5%. Boom. There you go. That's it. If I wait patiently for a good long entry on Phantom, what do I suggest? Okay, what do I suggest? Okay. Well, I'm looking for this retrace right here for take profit 1 on the short. Okay, but if we're looking for a long position, we would be looking, a good place to potentially look for a long position would be the retest of this level. Okay, that's your next potential good for a longer term, a higher term long. Okay, you got your swing low to swing high here, lining that up with your reverse scope extension. All right, let's go down to the 15 on here. Okay. There you go. There's your 15-minute time frame. So the reverse scope extension lines up with a recovery of the previous green candle, all right, and the scope extension of the move. So in this zone is where I would be looking for TP shorts, okay, TP shorts, looking for longs, okay, and what else do you want to see, okay? Let's add some more things in here. What do we want to see, okay? Right in this zone. Wanna see notable volume induction candles. Okay? Let's push this down to this, all right? Want to see notable volume induction candles. Saved. Okay? We want to see notable volume induction candles in this zone. We want to see red candles coming back to recover the green and retest this zone. All right? We jump up to the higher time frames. Where does FTM sit now? Okay? This is what I'm looking for right now on FTM. Okay. Are the funding fees? I'll look at Litecoin and LRC as well. Now look at your realized P&L. You will see a minus. Well, the trade is minus anyway. So actually on Link, all right, let me show you something. So why is this, right? Let's show you Link. Okay, so here's my Link entry, right? I'm minus 2%, but when I click on it, I'm only minus 1%. So why is it less? Why do I gain money by clicking on this? If it's a limit, if it's a market order, okay? Why am I getting more money? All right, I'm down 1.8%. I click on it, I'm in the green. Well, how is that possible by your logic? Okay, now I'm making money. I'm making money by clicking on it. I'm not losing anything. What is the logic behind that? I go from red to green. Okay, Martin, how does that be explained? Okay, filled, link, open short, limit. Okay, I'm in the red, I click, now I'm in the green. How do we explain that? All right, now by your logic, I made money on the fee. Because when you click on this, that's your actual P&L, right? So I made money on that. What does that mean? By your logic, I should have lost money by clicking there because it was a fee. So by your logic, if I go from red to green by clicking on it, I got paid the fee, which is what happens on a limit order, right? Is that not correct? Okay, that's just by your logic, okay? I gain money. I'm down 1.94%. Click on it. Now I'm only down 0.5%. I was down $1.20. Now I'm only down 50 cents. Daily daily realized P&L, that was already there, I believe. You're talking about this? Was this the first trade I entered today? I don't know if this is the first trade I entered today on Link. Was it at 0 before? All right, so Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin. So it cost me $3 to enter, you're saying? You're looking at unrealized. Oh, so I don't know that this was at 0 though. I don't know that this was at 0 exactly. All right, let me find a coin. Let me see. Let's do a coin that we didn't trade, okay? I know it's -3, but I could have lost $3 getting stopped out yesterday in the last 24 hours. Let's go. Let me see exactly how much it costs. Let's go to a coin that I definitely didn't trade. Bingo, we got there. Okay, let me see. Let me go to a coin I haven't definitely not traded ever. All right, no trade ever. Let's see. What's something I've never even looked at? Atom. Okay. Let me see how much it costs to enter a trade. Okay. At least I'm not losing money. Remember, I don't want to enter too many because I do want to hit my 1K on this. All right, so Atom. Let me see. So 25%. Okay, we want to short Atom. So daily realized P&L. So it cost me 31 cents to enter. Okay, that was the fee then. So 31 cents is what it cost to enter Atom. Not a big deal. I think Link I already traded before. I think that was the problem. Okay, let me look at Link. Where's Link? So Link, yeah, because the position size is the same. $62, $46. Link was -3, so I think I took a trade on Link in the last 24 hours and lost. So yeah, 31 cents was the 31 cents fee. That's right. So that's what, a maker fee. So 31 cents. Okay, 31 cents is all the fee was on $50 trade for 16x. That sounds about right. So that would be a market. Wait, that would be a market maker fee? Is that what you guys are saying? So if I entered market, it would be higher than this, or would it be the same is the question. Okay, let me hurry up and add a stop loss. All right, I'm not giving this any room to breathe because I don't know anything about this coin. Let me know. So is this a cheaper fee than if we market order in, or am I wasting my time is the question. This is where we're getting at. If you got a limit fill, that would show as a small profit and not a loss. So my question is this though: is it a market order though, or is it a limit? Is it a limit market maker order, like you guys were saying? Am I wasting my time clicking the order book? Should I just mark it in? Is the question. How much would that? How much more would a market order cost me? 31 cents on $50. Sounds about okay for me. I don't know what that, let me see what that percentage is. That wouldn't even be, let me see. $50 times 0.01. So that's 0.0. That's 0.004%, I believe. Okay, so anyways, we will talk. Yeah, let me know. I want to know am I wasting my time doing that trick, or should I just market order in? I don't care about the fees personally. I don't really notice them. So, all right, let's get back to the charts. Sorry guys for holding up. I want to make sure we're giving out accurate information. All right, so sorry. I guess maybe it is a market maker fee. All right. Let me see. Take a look at Litecoin. Let's look at Litecoin. We'll look at Litecoin, and then we're going to head out soon. What's today? We got another small group today. Oh, this is the 1 minute chart. Litecoin coming up too. All right. Looking for short here on Litecoin. All right. Where did my charts go? All right. So look, for example, this is what I do, guys. We're coming into resistance. We'll do it one more time, right? I'm not even going to look at the chart, okay? We look at the chart. We're coming into resistance. This is how I go about my positions, okay? We look at the chart, match up, see where we're coming into, okay? Where's Litecoin? Let me actually pull it up so I'm not just doing this out of nowhere, okay? Litecoin, okay? Sol, we'll look at Sol as well, okay? So Litecoin extended above the 50 EMA. Let's add in the chart, okay? Let's add in the low chart for Litecoin. Okay, looking at Litecoin to have a reverse scope of the move. Okay, this is how we enter, open our shorts. Okay, then I go to my stop loss, 5%. Okay, there we go. So Litecoin cost me 47 cents. So it looks like you're right. So 47 cents was the charge on this Litecoin short. Okay, let me go and open the chart. Let's go to Litecoin snipers, guys. I like being able to bring the chart on the screen. If you're a hacker and you're watching, please leave me alone. Leave my little $1,000 alone. All right? It's for learning purposes, and you're only robbing the channel. Okay? You're not robbing me, I promise you. I have so many authenticators, and I keep my shit off my laptop. So stay away from my stuff. All right? So let's see here. Let's look at where we're at for Litecoin. Okay, we are breaking above, potentially, right? We're at the reverse scope extension of the move. Okay, we're at the reverse scope extension of the move. We had a real nice move down here as well. Okay, so we're coming into the reverse scope extension there. Let's go to our VWAP, Litecoin USDT. All right, let's check the VWAPs. Let's see where we're at. Okay, market structure and VWAPs. We look left. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, there we go. So, this is what I'm looking at. We have notable volume resistance here. Notable volume resistance here. Notable volume break. Okay, you got your higher lows on Litecoin as well. A beautiful move to the upside, actually. Okay, beautiful move to the upside. So now we look, to continue to the upside, we look for a break and a retest. Okay, we look on the lower time frames. That's the wrong one. Let's go to Phantom. Almost to the, we're looking for here for my take profit one on the Phantom short. All right, keep reminding me I didn't set the take profit. All right, Litecoin. See the money flow, guys? Money flow is such a beautiful tool. So this is what we want to see for Litecoin. All right, reverse scope of the move on the little baby local reverse scope. All right, then we have a notable volume resistance. Okay, back down here. And then we also seem to have, on the 1 minute time frame, okay, we seem to have a little area here. Okay, we got railroad tracked here. And then we retested as support. So now we want to see the lower high. We want to break and retest and drop down to these levels. Okay, that's what we want to see. Here's our local low. Okay, scope extension, previous green candle. Okay, local low. You can even pull it from this low. Technically, it would be a local low. Okay, so your scope, your previous resistance, this is what you want to see. You want to see price drop down, retest this level, and come down here. What percentage would that be? Okay, you would get 1.4%. Perfect, acceptable take profit one if price continues to drop. I know we're short on time, but can you look at my question? Oh, I'm not sure. Are funding fees on perp futures time-based? And the funding fees were twice what I lost when I got stopped out. Yes, they're time-based. They're every 8 hours, I believe, you get charged. Anybody, if, where are the charts? I don't know what you mean, Barry. All the charts are in the sections, Barry. Okay, all the charts are here, Barry. Look. Bitcoin, Ethereum, every single one of these has one of my charts there. Okay, they're all in the sections. You just got to scroll up. Okay, scroll up. Where's Litecoin? All right, Litecoin is where? There's the Litecoin chart, or Bitcoin chart, Ethereum chart. Maybe somebody didn't pin them. Did they pin them? I'll pin them to the top. Yeah, here's Litecoin chart. There's Ethereum chart. Go to the top. Pinned. All right, pinned at the top. There you go. They're pinned at the top of every chat, Barry. Those are where the charts are at. Okay. There we go. All right, so I know they pinned in each section. Thank you. I'm sorry, guys, if you were looking through Barry. I'm sorry if it was unorganized. I should have said. I think Don went in and pinned them all for me. So big shout out to Don too. Hurst, Horns, Martin, Eric, Premier. All these guys really keep the channel alive and going. You guys, they do a lot behind the scenes. So you know, never hesitate to thank them as well. I don't do this by myself. I don't do everything by myself, guys. I have a lot of help. Noriega as well. I pinned. Oh, Max did. Maximilian pinned them. Thank you. They are also in corresponding channel description. Very well, sir. Very well. Okay. Thank you very much. Let me just check my. Where's FTM? Sorry, guys. Let me just check this trade. Okay. Litecoin. Come on down to the take profit. FTM USDT. All right. Where's my Phantom? Okay. There we go. There we go. Okay. Phantom down where we need it to be. All right, retesting the 50 EMA. Let me see where I'm at with Phantom real quick. All right, let's take a look at Phantom. Okay, FTM. All right, we'll leave it on the chart. Okay, still at 808. All right, there's Phantom. So we can look like this. Okay, stop loss. 10% stop loss. Be 8%. Okay, just below. Okay, first 10% stop loss. Litecoin, we're looking for a retrace to the previous high, guys. All right, major take profit on Litecoin here. Probably get you a couple of percent too. All right, then we're looking for another push to the upside. Look at the liquidity above on Litecoin. Okay, I'm very bullish on Litecoin overall. All right. All right, price is slowly higher value, higher value, higher value. They just took the previous high with notable volume. All right, they took the monthly high. Sometimes you just got to zoom out, guys, and take a look. Just click 10% take profit on FTM. Nice job. Just shorted Bitcoin. Just shorted Bitcoin. How'd you get stopped? It didn't even come above the previous high. All right, Bitcoin found a bounce, guys. Previous high right here. Still have, this is all CME gap. I'll move it down so we can see it better. All right, you got your previous high here, well, right? Previous resistance, flip to support. Okay, back at the high of the day. Be cautious. Everything else seemed, oh, there we go, bang. I should have got my take profit on Phantom hit. Take profit on FTM hit. Beautiful. All right. Wait, what is this? Oh my God, guys. Oh my God. I didn't change it to take profit on partial position. It just closed my whole trade. Oh my God, that hurt. Oh, wow. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? I should have just manually done it. I should have manually did it. That was my fault, guys. So my Phantom trade just friggin' got closed at my first take profit. All right, perfect. Look at that. Ugh. Would really appreciate you look at AVAX. Oh, okay. All right, guys. Do two more and then I gotta go. I'm very upset I just did that. What a beautiful short on Phantom. And I took the profits. So pissed off. So pissed off. All right, AVAX. Notable volume break of the high. Looking for a retrace back to the 50 EMA. Which is also the scope of the move in the previous green candle recovery here. That's what you're looking at for Phantom. Or AVAX. Let me look at AVAX on the higher time frame charts. Where's my simple clean chart? Hold on, guys. Okay, well, let's look at it on this chart then. I'm so mad at myself. I did it. That's why, because usually when I'm watching, I take profits manually. That was a pretty stupid move on my part. What an idiot. God, I'm dumb. All right. Previous notable volume resistance, potential support flip here. All right, this is the 4 hour, so we're going to start to paint a little higher time frame picture. All right, this is where we're looking for AVAX. Okay, this is where you'll be looking for longs in this zone. Longs, TP shorts. Drop down to the hourly. All right, there's the same zone for you. On the hourly chart, TP longs, look for shorts. All right, first take profit on AVAX. On a short position, you see these wicks, so they're working the highs here. There's your previous high, pinning the highs. All right, 3% back to the weekly VWAP on AVAX. All right, what price point is that? The weekly VWAP is at $92, which puts price right here. Okay, this is obviously, like I said, TP for an AVAX short would be right in this zone here. Then you look to the lower time frames, or the lower ranges. Here's your lower range, right? Okay, get another take profit. You see the 200 EMA, right? Take profit. You got your 200 EMA looking to curl up. Okay, 200 EMA looking to curl up into this zone. Okay, just like this. All right, looking for a take profit in that zone. All right, you want to see red candles, notable volume come down and retest in order to push price back up to retest and can potentially continue to the downside. Here's your whole AVAX range from your complete swing low to complete swing high. Then you'll have your 4 hour 50 EMA come up this way as well. All right, so I'm sorry, your 800 EMA and 4 hour 50 will come up this way as well. And you can front run that recovery in this zone as well for another take profit right here in this area. And then that runs you what? That runs you a 17% move, not including your leverage, with 3 take profits taken. So you're looking at taking in, 12%, a 12% locked in profit for these 3 take profits, times your leverage. Okay, times your leverage. You have, this is also a note. This is how we paint our pictures, guys. All right, what else do I see? Resistance, flip to support. Okay, notable volume level here. Resistance, flip to support. Okay, so this is a key level. This is your key level right here. Okay, let's write that in as well. Okay, let's make it 14. Key, Key SR zone. Okay, key support resistance zone here. All right, major take profit level. Make sure you lock in the win by that point. Right now we have this position to break right here. Previous resistance support flip in this zone. You need to break here. Test the 50, back test resistance, right? Let's paint a picture. Okay, let's paint a little bit more detail in this picture. Scroll down. Okay, if price does, here's your reverse scope. If price does come down to this level, all right, we pull it to the right. We see that a retrace up to the reverse scope of the move lines up with a back test of this notable volume resistance, notable volume resistance, notable volume break, retest support. Okay, all the way down in this zone. Okay, actually the support test was right here. Okay, you can see that. And up here. This is your notable. You want to break, retest, continuation to the downside. All right, we are working on New York Open Time, Eastern Standard Time. Okay, you were almost as shocked as the dude who live watched the squid. Hold on. Stop. Oh, Litecoin is still pumping? Oh, thank you, guys. Oh, wow, look at that. Okay, so, real quick, Litecoin, guys. Now, Litecoin should be at the target, right? Where is Litecoin on this, okay? LTC USDT. I did take a stop out on Litecoin, unfortunately, guys. No big deal, though. All right, Litecoin is right at the edge of this precipice up here. All right, there we go. Now we would look for a retrace on Litecoin back. Okay, extended like that, we look for a retrace back. Okay, so how would I enter on Litecoin? What do I do? Okay, I have to work out whether we have market, what the fees and percentages of these different positions are. Okay, different positions are. See, on this case, let me see. All right, on this case, what will we look for? All right, I'm going to see. So now we have this notable volume resistance here. Okay, so now we have a retest of the previous high. This is where it gets interesting. Okay, so now you have a retest of the previous high that's giving you a full percent. Okay, where you could lock in a win. We anticipate the retest of the previous notable volume resistance and the recovery of the previous green candle. It's also a retest of the potential reverse scope of the move. And then when we pull a scope out, okay, we see it's also the scope of the move. All right, so if you short it again, make sure to lock in profits. It could still push to the upside. Look at the move. Break, retest, break, retest. Okay, break, retest. Should we see a break or retest? Make sure to lock in profits at this level. Look, here's your first level to break. Okay, look, market structure on the tiniest little levels. Look at that, right? Tiniest little zones. Price only goes up or down. People put in long or short orders. This is the positions, right, where I get mad at retail traders. Where I'm like, why are you still longing with such high volume, you idiot? We're already so extended, right? This is where I get mad at retail traders. Okay, naked point of control around 222. Okay, which is right where we're at, right above here. All right, what was the last coin you guys wanted me to look at? Sand. We can look at sand again. We got some TA done on sand. Then I got to go, guys. My voice is getting scratchy. All right. Oh, look at that for sand. Nice drop to the downside, looking for the retrace back up potentially. All right, we're getting rejected at the 50 though. Let's start a picture. Let's paint a picture. Okay, here we go. Notable volume support, flip to resistance in this zone. Okay, notable volume support, resistance, flip on the 50. Okay, we pull a scope. What are we looking at? All right, we want to see price come back down to retest this area. Okay, what else do we have here? We got a little bit of support in this area as well you can look at. All right, so we want this area to hold. TDI to come down a little bit, start to curl. All right, where is my higher? What are we looking at? Sand USDT. Okay, Sand USDT. Oh, wait, what was that? Let's go back. There we go, guys. All right, Litecoin coming down to the previous high with red candles. Make sure to lock in your profits on this move, guys. Make sure to lock in profits. Now we want to see if price goes back up, a retest and a drop. Okay, retest and a drop. Where are we on sand? Okay, let's look at Sand USDT. Okay, Sand USDT. Here's the 1 minute time frame on sand. All right, and then we'll bring it up on this chart as well. All right, AVAX looking to drop too. Okay, AVAX curling over on the top too. All right, let's see where we're at with sand. All right, just another pump and dump coin looks like, just listed on Bybit. All right, nothing major to this coin. All right, there's really not even much TA we can do, right? Swing low, swing high. All right, we're at the scope of the move. All right, it's not a triangle pattern, but if we start to zoom in a little bit, right, we can go our swing low to swing high, the local zone here, reverse scope. Okay, your weekly VWAP is your dynamic resistance right now. It's the same as the daily because it's Monday. Look at that. Dynamic resistance. So what do you got to see? A break and retest above. Okay, this is you're consolidating in the VWAP, the point of control, and the 50 EMA. Okay, dynamic resistance on the VWAP. What do you need to see? A break and retest confirm support, and your take profits are to the upside. Just in this local zone itself, you can see the 200 EMA line up with the scope, right? Okay, obviously I draw too many of these because I know where they are. All right, these are where you want to make sure to lock in your TPs. Okay, what kind of percentage do you get on sand for a move up there? That's 2%, 2.5%. Not too shabby. All right, what do you look for? A notable volume break of the 50 into the 200 EMA, recovery of the green candle back to the 50, preferably a red candle, and then confirming support back at the previous notable resistances. Confirm support to push price up higher to recover previous candles. Okay, you can see we had the, what? We had a consolidation breakdown here. You see the consolidation, right? Look, I don't have to draw it, but I will. Okay, see you had your little what? Consolidation pattern. There you go, right? Price came up to the upside and boom, takes off to the upside. Measured move price target from the high. Oops, from the high to the low. Placed on the point of the breakout, and what do you see, right? Almost to the dollar drop to the downside, okay? Into what? This notable volume support level that we already had, okay? Paint your pictures, guys. Get an understanding, all right? Look at that beautiful trend line down here, okay? All the way from this low to this high, bang, okay? Notable volume, resistance, trend line. Price comes up, look at that, bang, and drop. If you're doing your local scope, let's add more confluence, right? Reverse scope extension of the move. Extended above the 50 EMA, coming into multiple levels of resistance with previous liquidity left below to be recovered. Drop. Measured move price target. Take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. Looking for long positions now. Okay, I was predicting lower ranges to enter lows. Are you looking at the whole move? I'm trying to short ETH, just broke me. All right. Daniel, are you talking to me? Sand. I was predicting lower ranges to enter. Well, so you got to remember, man, you're at your scope. Okay? If this breaks down, if price continues to get pushed down, then this is where you're looking for prices to enter longs. Okay? Here's your liquidity zone. Okay? You can be short-term bullish and long-term bearish. That's the great thing. We don't have to wait for price to come all the way down here. Okay? I don't know if this is the low or not. I can't tell. All right? We don't have to wait for price to come down here. Notable volume resistance, flip to support. Okay? Support and resistance zone. We don't have to wait for price to come down. We can look up and say, okay, we're predicting price right now. The highest probability price action right now is a potential what? Price to come up, form a bang, bang, and then reverse scope, and then drop down to this level, okay? Coming out of a consolidation from the upside. This is what we're looking at, a continuation. Lower highs, all right? Lower highs equal lows. Then we look in further. What could it look like, okay? What could it look like if it did play out? Yeah, maybe it could look something like this, right? Who knows, all right? We could be short-term bullish to recover the red and drop, like we saw them do on the lower time frames. You can't even see it really looking at this chart, okay, until you really start to, start to put some stuff on it here. There you go. There it was, okay. So could we see price come back up, retest this level and drop? Then we would definitely, right? We definitely be TP shorts, new longs. Let's leave this on the chart, okay? Remind me, TP short, new longs, right in this zone. What can we look for? Pin below, close above, recovery of previous green candle, retest of the previous high, back up, okay? So now you have your notable volume resistance level here, support level here. So what do you want to see for price to continue to the downside? Okay, from there, you want to see this, all right? You want to see price come back up, back test resistance of that notable volume support, and continue to the downside. Okay? But no reason why we can't take trades in between. Okay? We can always take trends. I'm bearish for the week, bullish for 2 months. Yes. Okay? Absolutely. All right. So where are we at? All right. So ETH broke the high. Okay? ETH broke the high. Profits taken on that. I'm probably stopped out on ETH. No big deal, guys. No big deal. Oh, Solana long still playing. Beautiful. All right, we long Solana yesterday down here. What do we see? Price comes back down, scope extension of the move, and then a retrace back up. Still long on Solana. I should have added, all right? I should have added this morning, but I was doing small group, and I didn't even think to, I don't think I added here. I'm not sure. Let me see. Did I add to Solana today? Let me take one look. I did not. Okay, I did not. All right, guys. So that's what I'm going to do. Okay, we'll keep using. We can use the small account challenge account to do examples and stuff on the live streams. Remember, these are members only. Please don't share these links. All right. I am not a financial advisor. That is paper trading. It's a Bybit testnet account. And I am not allowed to trade on that exchange. It's just a testnet account and not financial advice. Okay, guys. So we're gonna end the stream there. Okay, we're gonna end the stream there. Also, guys, for memberships, shout out to Disruptive Devs again. So for the memberships for my Discord, okay, the snipers and the marksmen, Premier Crypto is working on doing something for me so I can have a similar format for you guys to make your monthly suggested donations for sniper and marksman of your $50 and $25 in crypto with the same format that he used. However, the difference is I'm going to offer the TRC and all the stuff we still did. Okay, so I'm going to still use the same addresses and everything, but I just need a sheet to keep it organized. Okay, guys, so we probably will be doing that. I want to offer you the crypto donation option. I know everybody likes that, but it's very hard to keep track of. So we're going to probably look into doing something like that. If you guys don't mind doing that, you'll just have to go. You'll fill out the form, the same you did with the indicator, and it'll go to a spreadsheet so I can just add you in. All right? As far as recurring payments, we'll work on that. This is a work in progress. Eventually, I'd love to have you guys just be able to have recurring crypto payments the way you guys have been asking, and more options for payments for, again, the suggested donation of the snipers and marksmen. Okay. Also, if you don't have your TVAR indicator by now, and you want it, head into the indicator spot in the Discord and fill out your form and make your donation. Remember, a donation of any amount, whatever you think is fair, whatever you can afford, and you can have the TVAR indicator. All right, and part 2 will be out in the next 2 weeks, as far as if the schedule remains the same. We're working on the TVAR right now, part 2. We are doing big things. Guys, remember, you're the pioneers. Okay? The chart links, the sharing the chart links, recording the small group sessions, all this stuff is your guys' ideas, because I am modeling this community learning process after what the trader needs, not what I think that you guys would be best for you guys. All right? I'm monitoring off of all your suggestions and votes. The coins, the way we share the links, the small group recordings, all that stuff is modeled after the things that you guys have asked me for. So, in essence, you guys are the pioneers of this VIP member section. Everything, all the traders that come after you will be going through an experience that you guys have put together for them based off what you felt was the most necessary things that we needed to do to become successful in trading as a new trader. Okay, and yes, this was the first month. Thank you for your patience. We have very big things on the horizon. I haven't even let you guys know all of the things that we have planned for this community. All right, so I just wanted to thank you guys one more time for your support. I hope to see you in the following month in the small groups and on these streams. So yeah, we're gonna end it there. Another small group session today, I believe. Let me take a look just to verify, guys. All right, and also I think it's cool to be able to have the at least even though it's only a small account and it's not impressive or anything. I think it's cool to be able to see the live entries and stuff, and I'll start doing them. I'll start recording them as well. So, small group session today is the next small group session. Where the heck are my squads? 4th squad? Nope. Why do these squads keep getting moved? All right, so today, 5th squad. Okay, 5th squad after today's public live stream is the next squad small group training. Okay? Super excited here for life. Hope so, man. Hope to have you guys all here. We have a big community, big things going together. We are literally just getting started here. So thank you guys again for your support. Thank you for your patience as we get this process underway. All right, and thank you for everybody who has helped get us to this point as well. It's not just me, it's all of you guys, okay? So, going to wrap it up there. I'll see you guys in the Discord. I'll get to all the messages when I have a second. I still have to eat breakfast and do that type of stuff. And then I'll see you again on the afternoon live stream at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'll see you guys later. As always, guys, trade well.